Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WPRocket and caching for higher affiliate conversions, complete guide step by step clearly. To install WPRocket and set up caching for higher affiliate conversions, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar and select Add New. In the search bar, type WPRocket to find the plugin. If you have already purchased WPRocket, click on Upload Plugin instead. Download the plugin file from the WPRocket website if you haven't done so yet. Choose the file from your computer and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate to start using WPRocket. After activation, you'll see a new WPRocket option in the dashboard menu. Click on it to access the main settings page. The first tab is the dashboard, which will provide an overview of your site's caching status. Next, go to the Cache tab. Here, enable caching for mobile devices and set the caching lifespan according to your site needs. Continue to the File Optimization tab. Minify HTML and CSS files to improve loading times. You can also combine them for even greater efficiency. Next, head to the Media tab. Enable lazy loading for images and iframes to enhance performance. This will ensure images load as users scroll down the page. Proceed to the Preload tab. Set the preloading options to help speed up content delivery. This is essential for improving user experience and boosting your affiliate links. Now, move to the Advanced Rules tab. Add specific URLs that shouldn't be cached if necessary. This ensures important pages like checkout aren't affected by caching. Next, go to the Database tab. Schedule automatic cleanups to remove unnecessary data which can slow down your site. After configuring these settings, it's a good idea to run a performance test. Use tools like Jeepmetrics or Google PageSpeed Insights to measure your site speed before and after optimization. Lastly, monitor your affiliate conversions regularly. Adjust your settings based on performance analytics to maximize your results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.